English step by step. Pronunciation and spelling. Vowels O and O. Now this is the step 2 video about these vowels. So please watch the step 1 video in which you'll find a practice exercise. In this video, I'm going to go through the answers to that practice exercise. So make sure you watch the first video first. So the first word in the practice exercise was got. Got. Number 2, want. Want. And this is one of those few irregular spellings of this sound using the letter A. Number 3, rot. Rot. Number 4, hop. Hop. Number 5, clock. Clock. And then we come to the second vowel, O. Number 6, goat. Goat. Number 7, won't. Won't. Number 8, wrote. Wrote. Number 9, hope. Hope. Number 10, cloak. Cloak. So these 10 examples actually create minimal pairs. So let's try them. Now, for the pronunciation here, I'm going to use the RP. That's the received pronunciation. Got, goat. Got, goat. Want, won't. Want, won't. Rot, wrote. Rot, wrote. Hop, hope. Hop, hope. Clock, cloak. Clock, cloak. So now let's check the sentences. Sentence 11. At 1 o'clock there was fog on the coast. At 1 o'clock there was fog on the coast. 12. Robert wrote his postcode and his home phone number. Robert wrote his postcode and his home phone number. 13. The cops couldn't cope with the problem. The cops couldn't cope with the problem. 14. They did not know the notes to the soul song. They did not know the notes to the soul song. 15. Her cough stopped because she stopped smoking. Her cough stopped because she stopped smoking. So that brings us to the end of this step 2 video on these sounds O and O. This is one of a series of videos in which I talk about all of the vowels that you can find in British English with the spelling and the phonemes. So if you like this video, please click like and subscribe and request a lesson. And remember, you can watch my overview video in which I talk about all the sounds and spellings of vowels that you can find in British English.